Today's featured car of the day is a rare one. It's either a 1966 or a 1967 Shelby 427 Street Cobra. And this one I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where I had filmed it once before, but I couldn't find my video for some reason, or my pictures that I have. But this one was part of a tour 10 years ago where they did the 1,000-mile tour with, I think there were 20 different real Cobras that were Shelby Cobras that did a 1,000-mile trip. And I have some video of that, but I can't find it. Once I do, I'll put it out. But anyway, this is supposed to be, it's either a 1966 or 67 Shelby 427 Street Cobra. And judging by the research that I did, it's looks like it could be a 1966 model because it does have the rectangular taillights, which supposedly those were only used on the first 100 units. And this one also has the still has the cooling grill, the vent in the front, the scoop that they used supposedly on the first 200 units that were made. And they only made supposedly 343 of the 427 Cobras, and of that only 259 were the Street Cobras. The other ones were the competition or the semi-competition cars that they had made. So unfortunately, this one never had the hood open either time. I don't remember if it had the hood open the last time I filmed it, but so I couldn't tell what number it was as far as the CSX number on the car. But anyway, as far as the Cobras go, the original ones, Shelby Cobras with the CSX chassis, from 1961 through 1968, they made 655 289 Cobras and 343 coil spring 427 Cobras. I guess the 289s had leaf springs. And I'm no expert or anything. I'm just quoting what I've read on the internet. So I'm sure you experts will chime in. But just take the numbers with a grain of salt, too, because I guess they're not cast in stone. So, but it's just some of the numbers that are out there. But it's still a rare bird no matter how you slice it, because it was one of 259 of the Street Cobras that were made with the 427 or the 428 engine. I'm not even sure which engine this car has because, like I said, the hood was never open and the owner was never anywhere around, so I could ask questions. But some of them, supposedly 100 of them, were supposed to have the 428 police interceptor motor in them, I guess. So I'm not even sure of the exact numbers of those. I guess it doesn't really matter because no matter what it is, it's worth a lot of money. Probably 7 figures these days for the 427 ones. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 or 1967 Shelby 427 Street Cobra with either the 427 or 428 engine that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed. and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.